Love. I love chocolate ice cream.
Love.
I love chocolate ice cream.
Hate. He hates waking up early.
Hate. He hates waking up early.
Laugh. We laugh at the funny joke.
Laugh. We laugh at the funny joke.
Cry. She cries when she feels sad.
Cry. She cries when she feels sad.
Remember. I remember his birthday.
Remember. I remember his birthday.
Forget. She forgets her keys at home.
Forget. She forgets her keys at home.
Find. She finds a flower.
Find. She finds a flower.
Lost. He lost his phone.
Lost. He lost his phone.
Win. Our team wins the match.
Win. Our team wins the match.
Lose. They lose by 1 point.
Lose. They lose by 1 point.
Come. I come home early today.
Come. I come home early today.
Go. I go to school daily.
Go. I go to school daily.
Arrive. We arrive on time.
Arrive. We arrive on time.
Leave. They leave the party early.
Leave. They leave the party early.
Push. I push the door to enter.
Push. I push the door to enter. Pull.
He pulls the handle to open.
Pull. He pulls the handle to open.
Sit. She sits on the chair.
Sit. She sits on the chair.
Stand. He stands near the window.
Stand. He stands near the window.
Throw. I throw the ball to my friend.
Throw. I throw the ball to my friend.
Catch. He catches it with one hand.
Catch. He catches it with one hand.
Wake. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Wake. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Sleep. He sleeps until noon.
Sleep. He sleeps until noon.
Speak. She speaks fluently.
Speak. She speaks fluently.
Listen. He listens carefully.
Listen. He listens carefully.
Begin. The movie begins at 7 p.m.
Begin. The movie begins at 7 p.m.
End. It ends at 9 p.m.
End. It ends at 9 p.m.
Start. They start the race at 8 a.m.
Start. They start the race at 8 a.m.
Stop. The bus stops next station.
Stop. The bus stops next station.
Move. They move to a new house.
Move. They move to a new house.
Move. We stay in the same place.
Move. We stay in the same place.
Turn on. She turns on the lights at dark.
Turn on. She turns on the lights at dark.
Turn off. He turns off the TV before bed.
Turn off. He turns off the TV before bed.
Teach. The teacher teaches math.
Teach. The teacher teaches math.
Learn. The students learn quickly.
Learn. The students learn quickly.
Buy. I buy fruits at the market.
Buy. I buy fruits at the market.
Sell. They sell vegetables.
Sell. They sell vegetables.
Give. They give gifts to the children.
Give. They give gifts to the children.
Receive. The children receive presents happily.
Receive. The children receive presents happily.
Borrow. I borrow a book from the library.
Borrow. I borrow a book from the library.
Lend. My friend lends me his calculator.
Lend. My friend lends me his calculator.
Enter. He enters the room quietly.
Enter. He enters the room quietly.
Exit. She exits the building after work.
Exit. She exits the building after work.
Grow. Plants grow fast in the summer.
Grow.
Plants grow fast in the summer. Shrink. His sweater shrinks after washing.
Shrink. His sweater shrinks after washing.
Show. He shows me his new phone.
Show. He shows me his new phone.
Hide. She hides her diary under the bed.
Hide. She hides her diary under the bed.
Rise. The sun rises in the morning.
Rise. The sun rises in the morning.
Fall. The leaves fall in autumn.
Fall. The leaves fall in autumn.
Build. They build a house.
Build. They build a house.
Destroy. He destroyed the pot.
Destroy. He destroyed the pot.